Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you my take on the 2399. Please ignore these holes. These are all prototyping holes. Um, Basically, this is two boards in here. And the cool part about my take versus others is that I kind of formally documented what it takes to have like a pure wet dry sweep. So this will allow you to like fully sweep to wet or fully sweep to dry rather than adding tails. I kind of built this pedal to be a effect send on my mixer rather than like a guitar insert, although that will be applicable to others who have a guitar. The main quirks of this thing is that there are two boards in here, right? There is a mono 50K pot for time for each side. And then there is a stereo 10K pot for the wet, and then a stereo 50K pot for the feedback. And basically what happens is that you literally direct wire. I'll have photos and stuff in the documentation. For the sake of this audio demo, it is currently set up as a post fader send on these two. Let's say hi to Mr. Curity. It's to Sir Curity. My bad. This is the nymphs, and this is the syntect, and we will kind of have a demonstration. If there is any weird high pass filtering, please. I'll actually turn this off. So that we kind of have a more unadulterated signal here, so that it's not high passing on return. So yeah, here's the volume of this guy. It is, the way this is designed is that it is meant to be fully stereo. So these are actually TRS cables. So if you're using this pedal with a guitar, you're gonna have to use Y cables. If you're feeling particularly clever, you can like use a Y cable, and then feed one of the outputs back to the other input, so that you have like two of these stacked in series. Or you could of course split it in parallel as you see fit. There's also CV input knobs. These CV input knobs work from about -5 volts to about +2 volts. I have the Syntect and the Nymphs. This is kind of like, so people have like a frequency range idea, and then the Nymphs will be kind of like the harmonic content. So yeah, let's start with the Syntect. I'm just gonna do like a full range sweep, and yeah. There we go. I apologize. There was a chord step in there. So this is the kick. So I'm just gonna feed this guy in. So let's change up the delays to be nice and short. Have some feedback action there. So yep, that's the kick demo. Yep. So that's the snare demo. Yeah. Let's see. Can we get some long-tailed snares in? So yep, those are the snares. So yeah, the design of this pedal is ripped from the Boy in the Well. So yada yada yada. There's some low pass filtering going on the high end to prevent like the really bad noise of the 2399 from coming in. So you won't necessarily pick it up on the highest registers. This guy has a delay. So I'm pleased with that. If we want to, we'll right. So you can immediately hear the difference in performance on the high frequency spectrum. But yeah, so but for like mid ranges and feeding kicks, I have a high pass filter that is off shot. It's right here. That's actually post in between my effects, so it's out of the mixer into the high pass and then into the effects. There's a clouds off. I can't see this. I'm shooting this with an iPhone. Yeah, so that's that. Onto the onto the nymphs, I guess. This will be our full sustain volume here. Actually, we'll do this. No attack, no decay, no release. Just pure sustain for now. And yeah, we'll mess with the reverb and stuff later. This I have reduced to this I have reduced to halftime, so I think this is now an eighth note per. Wait a minute, that's not correct. And then master length is going to infinite. Yes, perfect. So and now for the sake of a demo, let's do the nymphs reverb. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope somebody gets some use out of it. Yeah, there will be drill holes, bombs, the Tata bomb. Yeah, that's that. I hope you like it.